Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to bleed the Jaguar XF cooling system. Start with the engine cold, remove the reservoir cap, open the bleed valve on the thermostat housing, top up with correct coolant, run the engine to operating temperature, watch for steady flow without bubbles, tighten the valve, reinstall the cap, recheck coolant levels, and perform a short road test to confirm stable temperature and no leaks. We'll quickly cover tools and safety before bleeding your Jaguar XF. Wear gloves and eye protection, use jack stands, and work on a cool engine. Prepare a funnel, the correct Jaguar spec coolant, a spanner, and a bleed kit or hose. Keep a container for old coolant and clean spills immediately to protect pets and the environment. Plan about 30 to 45 minutes for the procedure depending on experience, and keep a phone nearby in case you need assistance. This is a quick ad break. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and hit like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during greasy car jobs. It seals well and fits most cup holders. Check the description for the product link and other deals I mentioned. I appreciate your time. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps to purge air from the Jaguar XF cooling system in a calm, steady way. With the reservoir cap off and the bleed valve closed, start the engine and let it idle until the thermostat opens and coolant circulates. Crack the bleed valve until a steady stream of coolant flows without bubbles, then tighten the valve and top up the reservoir. Reinstall the cap, check hoses for leaks, and monitor temperature on a short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.